Welcome back, everyone. You may be in a situation where for some reason your Apple Pay is just not working. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. There's no one exact option, but the first thing I would recommend you all to look at is your network connectivity settings. So as always, this is the number one thing. If your phone is on airplane mode or not on cell connection, or if you have a really bad signal somewhere, there can be some situations where for some reason your credit card is just not going to be able to talk essentially with your iPhone. So the first thing you want to do is hop into your settings and verify you're on Wi-Fi or verify that you're getting bars of some sort. If you're on airplane mode, you want to get off airplane mode because it's not going to work. And then once you're verified that you have a good internet connection or whatever, you want to hop into Safari or really any other website for that matter, and you essentially want to go ahead and see if you're able to load up any web pages. If you're not able to load up any web pages, then you've basically found your problem. You want to connect to a Wi-Fi connection or cell connection and essentially fix it that way. But let's say you are able to load up web pages and everything's working fine. The next thing I would recommend doing is verifying that your Face ID or your passcode that you're typing in or your Touch ID is fully functional. In order to get into Apple Pay, you have to click on the power button twice on these type of iPhones and then lay it on top. Sometimes it does work if you just lay the thing on top of the credit card reader. Sometimes it'll pick it up, sometimes not. But that's essentially the main thing you have to do, is to verify that you're typing in the right passcode, the right touch screen, the right touch ID, the right everything, and that should end up fixing that problem as well. Now, another thing I would recommend doing is making your way over to your wallet app. Now, as you can see, I don't have a credit card in here. This is not my main device. But sometimes you do actually have to go ahead and either re-verify some information on your credit card. So if you're using like a Chase or an Apple card or whatever the case is, you want to go ahead and verify that your specific card is fully in there and it's not expired and it's not anything like that. Because sometimes there are people out there sometimes there are chances where your card may actually end up have been expired or something like that, and you may have not realized it. So what you're going to have to do is verify that your card is up to date, make sure that everything is plugged in there correctly, and if it's still not functioning, you may want to have to contact Apple or your credit card company to make sure everything's working out, because like I mentioned, sometimes there can be some issues, and typically fixing the network connectivity, checking the app, updating your iPhone, things like that, those are the ways to fix it at the end of the day. So that's essentially it. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly, everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.